Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you have one of those and you need to find where the fuse for the stop lights, brake lights is located, stay with us. We will explain that in this video today. Also, make sure to stay until the end. We will explain why it's super important, guys, to test the fuses to find out 100% okay if they're good or bad, and how to test them. All that will be covered. You actually have two fuses, so make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So specifically, guys, we have a 2015 Fiat 500 that we'll be demonstrating on here. Now let's explain where these fuses are located, guys, okay, in case you need to do that. So waiting for the camera to come. Okay, now the first fuse, guys, okay, that we need to check, okay, will be, you need to come under the dash, guys, under the dash. That's where it is. And the first fuse that we'll need to check for the stop lights, brake lights, you can see you have a hidden dash, okay, a fuse box right here under the dash. The first one is the fuse number 3 on the right side, 5 amp fuse. Okay, right there, that 5 amp fuse is the one, okay, actually for the stop lights. That's the first one. You have, guys, okay, one more fuse after that, and the other fuse, guys, will be actually fuse number 37, okay, which will be one right underneath it. 37 will be the fourth fuse, another 5 amp fuse right here. So these two 5 amp fuses are for the stop lights and the stop light switch. So check it out. I recommend to test them. We'll put a link to a video that explains how to test the fuse, because you may think it's good but it's actually a bad fuse, and you may end up spending quite a bit of time and money to fix your car when all you had to do is test the fuse, find out it's bad, replace it. So check out. The link will be in the description of the video below, how to test fuse and where you can buy cheap fuses from and save a ton of money, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.